Hi, my name is Shells, and today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how I did my glitter heels. So I tried to be fancy and add a bunch of different colors to silver glitter, however the shoes still came out looking silver. I mixed Mod Podge glue and tacky glue and applied a thin layer with a paintbrush to a suede heel. I chose suede because I kind of felt like the glue would seep into the suede and then it would stick better. I don't know if that's true, but hey, let's just go with that. Then applied the glitter, and of course I let the first layer dry. I added another thin layer of Mod Podge glue to the first layer, and this is the same exact step that I will repeat at the end when I finish both layers. And the Mod Podge glue kind of creates a seal and it does dry clear. I didn't say this before, but after every application of glitter, I took the back of the scissors and kind of knocked the bottom of the heel to get off the excess glitter. And you can clearly see the difference between the first and the second layer. So I used the blow dryer to get off the excess glitter and also to dry it a little bit. However, I still left the shoe to dry for an entire day. And this is the final product. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and let me know if there's any other tutorial you would like me to do. Don't forget, she who leaves a trail of glitter is never forgotten. Be blessed.